Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, dy dx. We need to change for r dr d theta. And now we need to consider about the bounds. So we have dy. So we can see that dy between negative the square root of 4 minus s squared and the square root of 4 minus s squared. About the s, that is for this one in here. So s between from 0 to number 2. Now we need to consider about this one. Now we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So we have 4 minus s squared. So this one I will put on the right, on the left. And we have s squared plus y squared equals to number 4. So we know that the formula of the circle, that is about s minus a, everything to the power of 2 plus y minus b, everything to the power of 2 equals to r squared. So the center, that is about a, b, and the radius, that is about r. So if we look on this equation, we see that we don't have value 8 and b. That means the center, that is about 0, 0. And the radius, that is about number 2. Because number 4, that is about 2 to the power of 2. So we need to draw the circle in here. So if we look on the bounds, we see that y between the square root of 4 minus s squared, that is about this one, and negative of the square root of 4 minus s squared. About s from 0 to number 2, 0 to number 2, that is about this one. So the region we need to consider, that is about this one. So we need to change these double integrals in here. About s, we change by r cosine theta. Dy dx, we change by r dr d theta. About dr, that is about the radius of the circle. So we know that that is from 0 to number 2. About d theta, so we start about this one in here. That is about negative b over 2. And this one they will go to here. That is about positive b over 2. And now we put the bounds in here. So r and r, we have 6r squared. About this one, we can put like this. So we have the integration from 0 to number 2. And this one we have 6r squared dr. And now we have another integration from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. And we have cosine theta d theta. So the integration of this one we have like this. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. This one, that is about sine theta. And we have the bounds from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. So number 2, I will put this one cone here. Number 0, I will put this one cone here. Similar for the second one. And we calculate. That is about 16. The next one, that is about number 2. So we have 32. This is the end. Thank you for watching.